In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to tweet on Twitter. If you guys are new to Twitter and you want to learn how you can tweet, then make sure you watch this video until the end. And before I get into the video, make sure you subscribe and also hit that bell button so you get notified for more future videos. Firstly, open up your Twitter. Now from the home screen, all you need to do is tap on this blue button on the bottom right, this one right here, and after you do that, a tweet section will open up. Now you can type in anything that you want. You can also add in videos and photos to your tweet by tapping on this gallery icon right here. If you add in a video, you will get an interface similar to this. Now you can increase or decrease the length of the video and tap on done on the top right. After that is done, you can also manage a few other settings like who can reply to your tweet by tapping on this everyone can reply, and you'll have a few options such as people you follow or other people you mention. Other than that, you can also post this tweet to all of your followers or only your Twitter circle if you have created one. After you made all the changes, now you can tap on tweet on the top right. Now after your tweet has been posted, now you can tap on your profile icon on the top left and then tap on profile. Now you'll be able to see that your tweet has been added to your profile also, which means that you've successfully posted a tweet. So I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and while you're at it, subscribe. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for watching.